Hello friends, welcome back to Ratnasagar tutorial. Today we are going to learn the use of not only but also. It's very easy topic. This topic is asked for 10th standard. It's a grammar part and today we are going to learn use of not only but also. Structures for not only but also. Today we are also knowing the structure for this. So let's learn the structure. The structure is here: subject plus verb plus not only plus adjective but also plus adjective. Here one thing you should note: after not only one adjective is there, again after but also one more adjective is there. Okay, so let's make sentence. Ravi is singer, Ravi is dancer. So two qualities we come to know, that one is singer, second one is dancer. And the formula is here: subject, verb, not only adjective but also adjective. Okay, so as per according we'll make a sentence. So our subject is Ravi. As usual, Ravi is there. Ravi is not only singer. So we have done here Ravi, subject, verb is, not only we have done here. Okay, not only we have done here. Adjective is first singer, this is the first adjective, this is the second one. But also, but here also is here. Adjective is dancer, dancer. So the sentence becomes: Ravi is not only singer but also dancer. Let's take some more examples. Amit is intelligent, Amit is hardworking. So again you will find here two adjectives. One is intelligent and second one is hardworking. Okay, as per the formula we'll make a sentence. So our subject is Amit, subject is Amit, we have done here. Verb is not is here, only is here. Adjective is first here, so we have done here one. Then adjective becomes here, but also we have written but also here as usual. Adjective here, second adjective was hardworking, so we have written here hardworking. So the answer becomes Amit is not only intelligent but also hardworking. So let's take other example. He likes cake, he likes ice cream. So here he likes cake, this is the first quality. The second one, okay, one is cake, one is ice cream. So the sentence becomes: he not only likes cake but also ice cream. This is a formula, very easy structure, you can make sentences. Okay, let's take next example. Raju speaks English, Raju reads Kannada. Here English and Kannada, two different qualities are there. Now here Raju is there, here also Raju, so we will remove one Raju, we'll add this one. Okay, so now Raju not only speaks English but also reads Kannada. This is the answer. Let's take next example. He is suffering from leg pain, he is suffering from head pain. So two things, leg pain and hand pain. So the answer becomes: he is not only suffering from leg pain but also hand pain. Very easy. Here is different example. He is handsome, he is rich. So sentence becomes: he is not only handsome but also rich. She is beautiful, sorry, she is rich, she is beautiful. Two things are there, rich and beautiful. So the sentence becomes: she is not only rich but also beautiful. This is the I can say homework for you. Please write down your answers in my comment box. Let's see how many of you are going to write the correct answer. The sentence is here and here. Okay, and waiting for your answers. Thank you for watching.